this video, I will show you how to fix the Mysterium VPN error 7040 step by step. This is a common issue, and the solution is easier than it looks. Just follow along and pause the video if needed. Before we start, I want to quickly mention the VPN I personally trust and use every day. I have been using NordVPN for over 5 years because it offers strong security, fast speeds, and reliable servers all around the world. It is not free, but it is much safer and more stable than most free VPNs. I will talk more about NordVPN again at the end of this video, so keep watching. First, completely close the Mysterium VPN app. Make sure it is not running in the background. On desktop, fully quit the app. On mobile, swipe it away. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again and do not connect yet. Next, check if your app is updated to the latest version. Error 7040 often happens when the app is outdated or not fully compatible with the network. Go to the official website or your app store and install any available updates. After updating, restart your device. Once your device is back on, open Mysterium VPN and go into the settings menu. Look for the connection or protocol option. If it is set to automatic, change it to another available option. This forces the app to rebuild the connection and often clears error 7040. Now go back to the main screen and manually select a node. Do not use Auto Connect. Choose a node that is closer to your real location. Far away or overloaded nodes are a common cause of this error. Click Connect once and wait up to 20 seconds. If the error still appears, turn off your internet connection for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. If you are using Wi-Fi, restarting your router can also help. Once the internet is stable again, try connecting in the app. Another important step is checking your firewall or antivirus software. Some security programs block Mysterium VPN and cause error 7040. Temporarily disable them and test the connection. If it works, add Mysterium VPN to the allowed apps list. Also make sure you are logged into your Mysterium account and that your balance is not empty. Even limited free usage can run out and cause connection errors like 7040 without a clear message. Keep in mind that free VPN services often have downsides like weak security, unstable connections, and slow speeds. Many free VPNs also make money by tracking your activity and selling your data, which is a serious privacy risk. If you're interested in trying out my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN. I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.